Hi guys, how are ya? It's Thursday. It is March 26th, Thursday, March 26th, and good job about getting in those review sheets. They will be counted as a homework grade. Um, Sorry, I've been sitting for a long time. Anyway, let's go over those questions, and I'll be moving back and forth from the PowerPoint to kind of see where our answers are. So would you right now get out those two review sheets? The first one we're going to do is this one, the test review sheet. It's the longer one. It is the one that has the questions on fibers. Remember, you are not responsible for numbers 21 to 25. Yep, 21 to 25. Only the first 20 you are responsible for. So please get out those worksheets. We're going to go over them right now. Like I said, I'll be going and hopping from PowerPoint and review sheets. So explain why hair evidence can be used in forensic investigation. We talked about way back, they resist decomposition, they indicate drug use, they can be used to match a suspect with the crime scene, they can be microscopically analyzed for similarities. What else? Those are some of the answers that you can have for that. Explain how evidence could be class or individual. Obviously, it's class evidence because color and strand and medullas can be similar, but there are things that can make it individual, like dyeing the hair, haircut, how it's cut, part of the body, all of that kind of stuff. And if you have other questions, if you have other answers that you are wondering if they would be good answers for number 2, just put it on the chat, okay? What are the functions of hair? Okay, functions of hair. It is used for protection, for warmth. What else? Yeah, protection and warmth. Okay, is probably good ones to put. What is the function of keratin? Keratin, let's go look at keratin. Let's see. Keratin, where did we see keratin? Keratin is the protein that makes hair strong and flexible. And I believe your next question is about melanin. Okay, melanin gives hair its color. Right? Next question, what are the parts of the hair strand? We have the shaft and the follicle. How can we compare it to a pencil? Here we go. Compare it to a pencil. The medulla is compared to the lead part. Cortex is the wood part, and the cuticle is the outside paint. Next question. For the answers in number 6, explain their function. So the function of, let's go back up here. Okay, function, we have the hair shaft and the follicle, that's the 2 parts. We've got the cuticle as the outermost layer, okay? It protects the inner layers of the hair. The cortex has the pigment, okay? Pigment varies from person to person, right? Let's see, next question. What are the 5 different categories of the medulla? This is on one of your handouts that I handed out to you, but these are them: continuous, interrupted, fragmented, solid. Okay, so these are the different, the 5 different categories. Okay, how many hairs are collected from a suspect? 50. 50 hairs are collected from a suspect. I believe we have that. Somewhere here, let's see, 50 hairs. It's in one of these. 50 hairs, there we go. 50 hairs are collected for crime scene investigation. Okay, describe the characteristics of hair from the head, eyebrows, and beard. We had that up here. They vary a little bit. The head has a circular kind of shape. Eyebrows have circular with tapered ends. Beard is very coarse, sometimes have 2 medulla. Pubic is oval and has some buckling to it when you look under the microscope. And the rest of the body hair is triangular at the blunt ends. Okay. Next question. What are the 3 stages of the life cycle of the hair? 3 stages, I believe is up here. Here we go. The 3 stages is the anagen stage. That is the active growth stage. That lasts about 1,000 days. The catagen stage is it starts to slow down and the follicle begins to recede. And the telogen, telo meaning end, that's when it starts to be dormant and then the hair falls out. Okay, how long does the first stage? We said 1,000, sorry, 1,000 days. What is the average growth? Average growth of hair. It grows 1.3 centimeters per month. Okay, next question. If unbleached region of hair is 1.7 centimeters, how long has that been since it's last dyed? And we go back to our formula here. So you would take 1.7 divided by 1.3, and that comes out to about 1.3, which is about 7 weeks. So if you got about 7 weeks, or 1.3, 1 month, 0.3. Okay. Again, if I made a mistake on this, please just put it in the chat. What are the characteristics of Asian, European, African, or ancestral hair? That was on the handout that I gave you. Let's look at here. I don't know if I put that stuff on here, but let's see. I don't think I did. Did I? I don't think I did. But that was on one of the handouts. I don't think there's that many questions, but make sure you take out those handouts that you have. Next question. What is the formula for the medullary index? Medullary index. That is right here. Is medullary MI is the diameter of the hair's medulla, and that's divided by the diameter of the hair. Okay, so let's see. What are the guidelines for determining medullary index? Let's go back. Is the medullary index is 0.33 or less, the hair is human. If it's greater than 0.5, the hair is most likely animal. Okay, and then you have this problem, number 18. If the medulla measures 1.8 millimeters in diameter and the diameter of the hair strand is 5.2, okay, so We have here 1.8 is the medulla, 5.2 is the diameter of the hair. It comes out to 1.5. That is greater than 0.5. So that means the animal, it is an animal hair. Okay, for number 18. How many follicles? A lot. I believe we said human hair. Let's see. I believe we said about 5 million, I believe it is. Yes, 5 million hair follicles. 5 million is that answer. Where is DNA located in the hair? DNA is located in the follicle for nuclear DNA, but if it's in the strand of hair has mitochondrial DNA, which is brought down from the mom, okay? Look, we're done. We're done. That's it for that one, okay? The next one is these, okay? 2 functions of the hair. We talked about that. Protection, friction, warmth. What are the 2 main parts? The follicle, the strand. Which one can you get nuclear DNA from? That is the follicle. What are the 3 layers of a hair strand? Medulla, cortex, and cuticle. Using the answers for number 4, which part is made up of overlapping scales? That's the cuticle. Which part is similar to the lead in pencil? That is the medulla. For C, which part gives hair its pigment? That's the cortex. And which part is similar to the paint on the pencil? That is the cuticle. What is the name of the protein that gives hair its strength and flexibility? The protein is keratin. What gives hair its color? Let's go back to that, okay, because that other worksheet didn't have that information. But what gives hair its color? Here we go. And that was part of our posted question yesterday. What gives hair the black and brown pigment? Eumelanin is the answer. Pheomelanin is blonde and red. Okay. Next one. What are the 3 stages of the life cycle? We have that. We've got anagen is the first stage. 1,000 days it lasts. Catagen and telogen. So make sure you know those. Next one. Using the answers, you gave another 8. Okay, let's see. Which stage does the hair fall out? Telogen. Which stage is rapid growth? First stage, anagen. And which stage is the follicles begin to recede? That is catagen. Okay. Next, for the following description, state what part of the body. So here we go. Tapered ends. Let's look. Coarse and two medullas, that's beard. Circular shape. Oops, let's go back. Let's go to, let's see here. So head is circular shape. Circular with tapered ends is eyebrows. The coarse with 2 medullas is beard. Oval and buckling is pubic. And triangular with blunt ends is body. How's that? I think we're done, right? Yes. Any questions you could ask me on the chat today or tomorrow. We have still tomorrow, Friday. So go over. Tomorrow's going to be your day where you can ask questions. Let's see if there's anything I have to tell you about. No. Tomorrow, go over these review sheets. Any questions you have, you can ask me on our live chat tomorrow. Have a great day. Do your posted question today. And I think that's it. Have a great day. Bye.